There are a lot of different softwares out there that you can use to help grow your publishing business. And we often get asked what our opinions on them. Are they worth it? Should I use them or not? And the one we get asked about the most definitely is KDSPY. So in this video, we just want to share our thoughts on KDSPY. Do we use it ourselves? Do we recommend it to you? What does it do? All that. So
is it worth the $47 price tag?
Yes.
Is what people want to know. Now, let's just start off by saying that KDSPY is the only software that we actually use to do niche and keyword research for our publishing business, and also the only software that we recommend others use. There are tons out there, but KDSPY is the only one you really need. There are these other ones that do these cool things, but you don't need it. It's not going to help you make more money in your publishing business. But what KDSPY actually does is something that is going to help you.
I want to quickly break down how we do keyword research and then where in the process KDSPY comes in. So we use a keyword research method that we came up with ourselves called the SLEEK method. It stands for S, scrape for keywords, L, create a list of keywords, E, evaluate profitability of keywords, another E, eliminate unprofitable keywords, and then K stands for keywords, picking your final keywords. Keywords. KDSPY or KDSPY, you're going to use when you're evaluating the profitability of keywords. What KDSPY does is it tells you the sales history and sales ranks of all the books that appear on the first page when you search your keyword on Amazon. Now, you can find all this information on your own by going in, clicking on a book, opening a tab, next book, and then you can look at all the sales ranks of these books. Or you can use KDSPY. You just click one button, it scans the entire page, and it tells you in one place all the BSRs of the books on page 1, and it also tells you the averages and stats related to that.
Now, the average BSR of all of the search results on the first page, that's the magic number that we like to look at when evaluating profitability. Now, when you are doing research to figure out what should the next topic for my book be, you want to, this is just basic economics and business, you want to find a topic that a lot of people are searching for, but not a lot of people are selling. And that is exactly what KDSPY will help you with. So quickly, let's just show you how to use it. So it is actually a Google Chrome plugin. That is one of my favorite things of it as well, is how simple it is. You don't have to go to like KDSPY.com and use it all like that. It's plugged into your web browser and you just click the button. So once you're inside the Kindle store, you search what topic it is you want to do your research on, because it's important to remember, just because you think people care about your book does not mean they will. You need numbers to back it up. Numbers never lie. So here we want to check, is dog training a profitable keyword? If we make a book about this, will people want to buy it? Right here, this is the KDSPY button. We just click there, let it load for a second.
Let it work.
There it is.
Okay, that was really quick.
And so here's exactly what it shows. First 20 results, that is all the results on the first page. It shows you the name of them. It shows you information like the pages, the price of each, estimated monthly sales, and they look at the monthly sales based on this sales rank right here. And then they also create estimated monthly revenue, which is also just a ballpark figure. They don't know for sure. And then the reviews of every book. Now, the big, really, we only use one column here, and that is this sales rank part. This is what we care about. And then with that, the average sales rank. So the average sales rank of all the books on the first page is 42,445. Now, to people who haven't been publishing since 2016 like we have, that might not mean much to you, but every book is assigned a sales rank from 1 to 10 million.
However many books there are on Amazon.
So if you have the number 1 rank, that means you're the number 1 best-selling book in the entire Kindle store. If you're 2, yada yada. If you are 100,000, that means you're the 100,000th best-selling book. Now that might sound like shit. You're not making any money, but there's so many books out there that if you're ranked 100,000, you're making sales every day. So let's quickly plug this into the Kindle book calculator to give you an idea of what 42,445 looks like in book sales. That is about 7 book sales per day.
Damn.
That's really good. Every book makes on average that. Let's look at these other ones. Like a 15,000, they are making on average 14 book sales per day.
Imagine that, selling 14 copies. If you make $10 on each,
yeah,
$140 a day on a book.
That gives you a good idea of how much money these books are making. To give you a spectrum to know what a good average sales rank is, if you find any keyword within the range of 100 to 200,000 or less average for the entire first page, you're onto something.
That's pretty good.
That means that there's a lot of demand for this topic.
Now, in the case of this keyword, 42,000
is extremely low.
There is super high demand for this keyword.
Yes.
There's super high demand.
Yeah.
Now, you also have to account for competition and competitors and all that. We're not getting into that.
That's not what KDSPY will do.
But I'm talking just about demand. Dog training books are very popular. People want dog training books.
Right. Now, can you calculate this average sales rank yourself? Yes. Like you're saying before, what you have to do is open up each product page, scroll down, find where it says the sales rank at the bottom, take it out, put it into a calculator, add all 20 together, then divide by 20. So that'll take you like 10 minutes, while on here, it takes you 2 seconds. Okay, dog training. Then we could go on to the next one about computer programming, which would take you 10 more minutes if you didn't have KDSPY, but instead you could just click the button and it'll do it within 10 seconds. So really in the end, what KDSPY does, it saves you shitloads of time, massive hours and hours of time, because when you're doing your keyword research, you want to scavenge through the entire Kindle store. You don't want to leave any stone unturned. You want to make sure you're not overlooking anything.
Well, you need to evaluate the profitability of hundreds of keywords.
And
you better not be opening each tab, adding them up, dividing them yourself.
It's just an extremely poor use of time. You got to value your time.
Let's look at the results from computer programming real quick. 115,000. So as you can see, compared to dog training, not nearly as in demand, but still good. Definitely good.
Phenomenal.
115,000.
But of course, demand does not decide if you should make a book about it, because if there are 40,000 other books about it, like there is here, then there's a lot of competition. No, and then let's go back to dog training. I bet there will be a fraction as many, 6,000. Now you'd ideally like to get under 1,000, but that's not
500.
Under 500 would be best. But that's really what KDSPY does. It is, in the end, it's a massive time saver, and to me, it's a must-have tool for doing your Kindle publishing research.
Agreed.
Yeah, it is. We don't have many must-have tools. We have two. Mm-hmm. It is quickly KDSPY and Publisher Rocket. We can make another review video about that, talking about what it does, but we use it for something completely different. It has nothing to do with keyword research.
So that really wraps up this video. This is our review of KDSPY. Mm-hmm. Do you need it or not? The answer is yes, definitely, if you want to save time. It only costs $47. Link below this video if you are interested.
Comment down below if you use KDSPY yourself. Do you agree? Is there another better software on the market that could do something like this that we don't know of?
Please, if there is, freaking tell me.
Please do share it. We would love to share it with everyone as well. And also subscribe and check out our channel, which has over 150 other publishing videos if you like this one. And that's what it is. That's your KDSPY review video. Thanks for watching.
See you in the next one.